საშინაო სკოლის გაკვეთილებს წარმოგიდგენთ კომპანია Silknet.
Hello, my dear friends, my little friends. I'm glad to see you. Please look at the board and you can see three adjectives. ხედავთ სამ ზეცართა სახელს. Enormous, ძალიან დიდი, grandiozuli, დიდი. Difficult, რთული, and beautiful, ლამაზი. And you can see also 6 pictures. ასევე 6 სურათს ხედავთ. Picture A is sum, მაგალითი, and picture B is also a sum. But can you tell me which one is more what? Enormous, difficult or beautiful? რომელი მოუხდება ამ სიტყვებიდან? Of course, difficult. And can you tell me which is more difficult? Picture A or picture B? რომელი უფრო რთულია? პირველი თუ მეორე სურათი? Right. Picture A is more difficult than picture B. I will circle it. So picture A is more difficult. More difficult. Please look at the second picture. You can see a circle. A is a circle and B is the circle. But difference between them that the first circle is what? Is beautiful or enormous? Of course, it is more enormous than picture B. Is უფრო დიდია, უფრო grandiozულია, ვიდრე სურათი B. Good. So, picture A is more enormous. More enormous. Again, we can write more. More difficult and more enormous. And the last one. You can see 2 flowers. თქვენ ხედავთ 2 ყვავილს. Can you answer me which is more beautiful? That's right. So, the second I will write the letters. This one. And now tell me which is more beautiful? რომელი უფრო ლამაზია? Picture A or picture B? Nice. Picture B is more beautiful. Again, we write more. So when we want to compare 2 things or 2 people, როდესაც გვინდა შევადაროთ 2 ნივთი, 2 საგანი ან 2 ადამიანი, we use more. More, უფრო მეტი. More difficult, more enormous, and more beautiful. When we want to compare 2, როცა გვინდა შევადაროთ 2. 2 people or 2 things. And now please at this part of the board and you can see 2 adjectives. Expensive, ძვირადღირებული, and polite. თავაზიანი, ზრდილობიანი. Now you can see 3 pictures. It is a disc and the first disc, picture A, costs £2. Picture B or the second disc costs £5 and the third disc or picture C costs £10. £2, £5 and £10. Can you tell me which is more expensive or more polite? More expensive or more polite? More expensive. That's right. No, აი აქ მოუხდება expensive. Which is more expensive? You're right. Picture B is more expensive than picture A. But now I ask you, which is the most expensive? რომელი ყველაზე ძვირად ღირებული. ის რომ ბისურათი უფრო ძვირად ღირებული გასაგებია და რომელი ყველაზე ძვირად ღირებულია, the most expensive. And you're right, it is picture C. And I will circle it. So picture C is the most expensive, the most expensive, the most expensive. ყველაზე ძვირად ღირებული, the most expensive. And now you can see three types of greeting. მისალმების სამი ვარიანტი. Hello, nice to meet you, and hi. Okay, hello, nice to meet you, and hi. Polite, ზდილობიანი, თავაზიანი. Can you tell me which is the most polite form? The most polite form. ყველაზე თავაზიანი. Hello, nice, or hi. And you're right. Nice to meet you is the most polite. არის ყველაზე ზდილობიანი ფორმა. The most polite. So when we want to compare three or more than three things or more than three people, we use the most. ახლა სამზე მეც როცა ვადარებთ ნივთს ან ადამიანს, უკვე ვიყენებთ the most, the most. Expensive and polite. The most expensive, the most polite. But once again, if we want to compare two things or two people, we use more. More enormous, more difficult, or more beautiful. Okay, now please, now kids, look at this part of the board. And you can see two words, as. ისეთივე როგორც, as. Small, პატარა, old, ასაკს როცა გამოხატოთ, ასაკობრივზე, and heavy, მძიმე. For example, I will show it in example. Bob is 10. Bobby 10 წლის არის. He is 10 years old. Anne is 10. Anna's 10 წლის არის. ესე იგი, Bobby არის 10, Anna's არის 10, ესე იგი, Anna, Bobby და Annie არიან ერთი და იგივე ასაკის. Please look here. Bob is, now we use word as. Bob is as old as, and that's right, Anna. Anne. Bob is as old as Anne. როცა ჩვენ გვინდა ვაჩვენოთ, რომ ერთი და იგივე, ანუ მსგავსია ეს ზედსართავის სახელი. As, ისეთივე როგორც. In the middle or between as, we write an adjective. As old as. ისეთივე როგორც. Bob is as old as, and then we write the second object or the second subject. The second one. The gosling is small. The cygnet is small too. ბადის ჭუკი პატარა. გედის ბარტყიც პატარა. ეხლა ჩვენ უნდა ვთქვათ, რომ ბარტყი და ჭუკიც ისეთივე, ანუ ერთნაირად პატარები არიან. And it will be the gosling is as small as cygnet. Is as small as. The gosling is as small as. ისეთივე პატარა როგორც. We use as and between them we write the adjective. And the last one. This book is heavy. ეს წიგნი მძიმეა. That book is heavy. ის წიგნიც მძიმეა. Heavy, მძიმე. This book is as heavy as. Is as heavy as. And again I will circle it. As, ისეთივე როგორც. And in the middle or between them we write an adjective.
I'm 10.
Me too.
You're as old as me, but you're not as clever as me.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
I'm as tall as you.
Yes, but you're not as strong as me.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
You're not as funny as me.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. Not.
Stop arguing, you two. You're both as silly as each other.
And now the last part of our lesson is, look at this part of the board, EA. EA, two letters EA. We pronounce as a. Bread, puri. Thread, zapi. Head, tavi. Feather, bumbuli. Spread, გავრცელება ან თუნდაც აი წასმაც შეიძლება. We spread butter on bread, on a slice of bread. ანუ ვუსმევთ. Bread, thread, head, feather and spread. And now kids, please open your books at page 44, 44 გვერდზე გადაშალეთ. Look, listen and repeat. და გაიმეორეთ.
Look and listen.
Head. Head. The swan's head is white.
In the cold winter weather, wind blows the swan's feathers. Head under its wing, it is waiting for spring.
Our lesson is over and it's time to say goodbye. See you later, my dears. Bye.